So I really wasn't gonna make a video on making baked smashed potatoes, but I figured I'd make a quick video on how to do it. There's 20 red potatoes washed and in a pot of water. We're gonna boil this till it's fork tender. It's gonna take about maybe 15 to 20, maybe 25 minutes, depending on the potatoes and your oven, not your oven, your stove. So we'll be back when these are fork tender. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes, 23 minutes or so, something like that. Potatoes are fork tender. I'm gonna drain the water. Put my pan back over there. Drain, drain, drain. Let's put the potatoes in a metal bowl because I like metal. No particular reason why. Anyway, those potatoes are fork tender. I stuck a fork in one. Fork went in, came out nice and easy. So now we're going to let those sit and dry off a little bit and cool off just a tad, not too much. And we'll be right back. Okay, so the potatoes have been sitting and resting for about 5 minutes or so. I'm going to take some just regular old olive oil. Bear with me with the camera. I didn't put the tripod up today. So anyway, sprinkle some olive oil on your potatoes. I'm using just regular old Goya seasoning today. I don't know what flavor it is. What flavor is this? It's all-purpose season. So we're just going to be sprinkling a liberal amount of this. Don't be shy. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Put that over there. Coat your potatoes. I'm doing this one-handed, so bear with me. Alright, let's go grab some pepper. Generously season your potatoes. You can use whatever season you want. You can use taco seasoning on here, just regular seasoned salt, salt and pepper, whatever you have on hand, it's fine. Garlic salt, whatever. So after that is all seasoned, come back over to your cookie sheet. You don't have to boil the pan. I'm grabbing a mason jar. And hopefully I can do this one-handed. Alright, so what you're going to do now is just smash your potatoes. They don't have to be pretty. Sometimes they stick, but you'll work with that. Just arrange them on your cookie sheet, baking sheet, whatever sheet you have. Just don't be a short sheet. I am a short sheet. Anywho, I just licked my fingers. These are very seasoned very well, thank you. Okay, so now these are all smashed. Oven set at 400 degrees. These are going to take quite a while to get golden brown. They're roughly going to take about 15-20 minutes per side. So we're going to throw this in the oven now. Set the timer for 15-20 minutes. Check them at 15 minutes. If they're golden brown, flip them. If not, let them cook until they're golden brown on one side, and then we'll be back to flip them again. Alright, well, that's dinner to go with the potatoes. The marinated steak strips. Anyway, let's take out the potatoes. Put them over there on the table. And we're going to flip these all over. So we'll be right back after I flip them all over. Actually, chill out with me for a little bit. Again, sorry for the shaky camera. I didn't bother doing the tripod today. There, we're all flipped over. I'm going to throw this back in the oven for another 15-20 minutes. Timer. 15 start. This is my marinade sauce I have boiling up to go with the we did with these was marinated them in some barbecue sauce that I thinned out with some Italian dressing and let it marinate overnight in the fridge for 24 hours and just fry them up right in the pan. These originally was going to go on the grill, but it's kind of too hot be standing outside today. I hate the heat. Dog going nuts. Anyway, we'll be back in about 15 minutes to check on those potatoes. This is just a... might throw that up for you. I don't know. Oh, hell with it. I'll just leave it in the video. Okay, so we're back. Dinner table set. Potatoes are... they look delicious. They look done. Now, you know my rule is I don't normally eat my food, but we have a little crumb. Nice and crispy. So, this is dinner. We have the extra crispy smashed potatoes. We have the steak strips, extra marinade, some salad. We're good to go. If you want to know how to make the steak strips with the marinade, leave a comment below and let me know. Have a great night. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. And we'll see you later.